Guangdong Tire Motorcycle Technology Co. Limited started in 2003 and witnessed the motorcycle industry in China over the last 20 years. The company has been adhering to the continuous technological innovation, the core components of all self-made development concept. We have learned a lesson from the unpredictable changes in the global market over the last 20 years. We believe tire-owned core technologies make who we are today and tomorrow. Design is the way we see and understand the essence of things. It is the reflection of history and the future, and it also is a link between dreams and reality. Zontes has valued invention and innovation as its development goal, with 20 years of experience and the technical expertise of 500 R&D staff. We have succeeded in taking a path that is unique to us, that others have never walked before. Frame manufacturing is actually a way of creating space. With the 3,000-ton injection unit, we inject the DNA of high strength, high rigidity and light weight into the one-piece die-cast aluminium alloy body. Precision, efficiency and speed are the key indicators of modern mechanical manufacturing technology. We have over 200 machines and 11 automated production lines, as well as a strict quality control system to ensure that each component is made with ingenuity and quality. The widespread application of digital, informational and automated control technologies make production more efficient and ensures consistent product quality. The old days of manual technology in the motorcycle industry have been replaced, and the future is a competition for intelligent manufacturing. Integrated molding technology and fully automated high-precision mold production make sure that the product design is achieved and the production efficiency is improved, changing the way traditional craftsmanship and production work together. We have been working hard to go beyond the limits of imagination. Color as the carrier of the initial product design is an important element for expressing product feelings and a key part of the manufacturing process. Zontes' pursuit of color emotions, intelligent control and eco-friendly processes is reflected in the 5 fully automated painting lines and the green water-based paint technology. Vehicle manufacturing is a continuous process, and the final assembly production process is no exception. From parts assembly to vehicle offline, it is inseparable from the perfect integration of people and machines, which also injects soul into the birth of a product. Quality is the lifeblood of enterprise development. A sophisticated quality management way allows us to monitor the quality of each process in real time, creating products that make customers happy and loyal.